Local news about local people. This is Newslink, Indiana.
Good evening, I'm Chris Bavender. Thanks for joining us. Storm drains have been added along the White River in Delaware County in an attempt to stop flooding. Newslink Indiana's Mandy Hackman talked to residents near the river to see if it's helping.
Friday morning's rainfall was enough to flood area roads and parking lots, but not enough to damage homes. However, one neighborhood has reason to be concerned.
The time that my home flooded, the water was coming from the river between the houses across the street and also from this dike or whatever they had built to try to prevent flooding. The water just came over it.
They've really got a problem back there, and I don't know of any other place here in town that has a problem along the river that they do.
The neighborhood behind White River faces flood damage every year because of water overflowing from the river. The homes are so low, water engulfs streets and yards. The residents of the house behind me actually had to move out because of the damaging floodwaters. Yet residents say the city and county haven't done anything to help prevent future flooding.
It kind of make you feel like you're on your own, that you have to, try to be around when the river is going to overflow its banks.
They'd like to get an early warning of possible flooding from the city so they can buy sandbags and salvage their belongings. But for now, they can only rely on themselves. In Muncie, Mandy Hackman, Newslink, Indiana.
Now, the neighborhood currently has a levee system in half the streets to help drain the floodwaters. A Muncie restaurant that has seen troubled times recently hopes the renewal of its liquor license will help improve business. Mezzaluna owner Rob Hansen says the business will get its liquor license back in early July. Hansen had been operating without a license for more than a year when excise police busted him. He's since reimbursed the Alcohol and Tobacco Commission the back sales tax. Hansen says the community has rallied around him.
That has shown a community that's really gathering around a place that they want to stay.
Hansen also hopes the new private party room next door will help his business as well. Now here's a look at the Newslink Indiana forecast. Tonight, look for heavy rain mainly after midnight and an overnight low of 67. For the start of the weekend, showers and thunderstorms are likely before noon. That chance of rain 70%. Look for a high near 81. And in our 5-day forecast, the chance for rain continues through Tuesday, but skies clear up Tuesday night with partly cloudy skies on tap through Wednesday. Highs range from the high 70s to low 80s with lows in the 60s. That is Newslink Indiana. Join us at 6:27 tomorrow morning for more news and get local news about local people 24 hours a day at newslinkindiana.com.